Good morning, afternoon, Vinny, everybody. I am Mike at Filmboy24, and today we're going to talk about my little trip to the Ponce Inlet Lighthouse with my K3 and some old Plus-X. So yeah, before we get started, I want to take a minute to thank our sponsor for this video. Very good. Now, let's move on. What I am going to do today is show you exactly what I did a couple of days ago. I jumped in the car. Well, I didn't jump when I was in the car, but I did get in the car, and I drove south to Ponce Inlet, Florida. I don't know why I'm pointing at you. That's rude. But I drove to Ponce Inlet, Florida with my K3 loaded up with a roll of really old and juicy 7231 Plus-X. And I wanted to document the lighthouse a little bit. Now, I paid the $7 to get in, but it gives you all access. I felt like I was backstage to an all access Filmboy24 tour. At any rate, it gives you all access to every area of the lighthouse, all the sleeping quarters and the, well, you'll see here in a second. But I took my GoPro along. You stop. Took my GoPro along, and I'm going to show you a little bit of what this whole area is like. Because if you ever make it down to the Port Orange, Ponce Inlet, Shores area, you really need to check it out. Let's go. Pretty cool, huh? All right, well, let's get on to the sort of the main attraction and the reason why I'm here today, other than the fact that my mom and my dad, well, never mind. I want to show you what I captured with my fairly new to me, when I say fairly new, I mean, yeah, really new to me, Krasnogorsk-3 or K3 16mm spring wound camera with the Meteor 17 to 69mm zoom lens. I got it right. This is black and white footage. I processed it myself in my go-to HC110B formula. It is processed as a negative, as it should be. So all you reversal gurus, you can't holler at me now. So here's the footage that I captured with this guy. cares that I'm littler? I'm older than you. Oh, sorry. My little mini shin on. At any rate, not too shabby, huh? I'm just going to make a mess over here. Not too shabby. I enjoy this film, as many of you, or some of you, or maybe none of you know. This is my all-time favorite 16mm black and white film. It's a shame they don't make it anymore. If this is the kind of video that gets you going, gets you excited, gets your goose, how about do me a favor? Punch that like button. Do you see? I did it almost like I was mad. Or subscribe, and subscribe. Don't do either or, but you can do either or. And lastly, what would a Filmboy 24 video be without? I'll see you, all of you, every one of you, I love you all, on the next go around.